everyone, let's do a walkthrough of the Oracle AI GitHub repository and get it running on your machine. Here is the repository. At the top level, we have the notebooks folder where most of the tutorial notebooks live. There's also an apps folder which has end-to-end examples of AI apps built with Oracle AI database and OCI services. There is a guide section with the full documentation. The README file at the root is also worth a quick skim. It provides a solid overview before you dive in. Now, let's get on your machine. Open the command terminal to run the git clone command. Once that's done, navigate to the folder. Make sure that you have VS Code or Jupyter Notebook set up. If not, pause here to do so. Each notebook has a set of dependencies. Check the setup instructions first in your notebook as it can vary. You'll also need an Oracle AI database. There are two options. Spin one locally with the help of Docker or use the free Oracle Cloud instance. Either works fine. Now, let's open the notebook. I'll use this one as an example. The first few cells handle the imports and the database connection. Enter your Oracle database credentials here and run it. If you see a successful connection message like this one, then you're all set. From here, run the cells in order and verify the outputs as you go. Hope this was helpful. Drop any questions in the comments.